empire, a future sensation. Check, I'm about to drop some it's a new era. Topic is pieces. Strategic place. Cause I know the future. And it's here to stay. So listen up. Cause this ain't no joke.
We're going to get right into it. It is a stormy day in crypto land as geopolitical winds are picking up. We have tariff clouds. They're gathering on the horizon. Bitcoin, it has stumbled. Ethereum, it is having an identity crisis and rising competition. U.S. stock futures have absolutely tumbled while gold prices are surging as investors are looking for safer havens. Welcome to another edition of No News is Good News, and today we are unpacking the market turmoil and exploring what April 2nd tariff shockwaves could mean for the crypto market. On the docket today, we have Bitcoin, Ethereum, and XRP. They close March in the month of red. We love Trump's new tariffs, don't we? UK puts wallet freeze power into action. Cosmos Hub and Ethereum. What? If you know Cosmos Hub, this is an unusual thing. This new partnership is very interesting. Ethereum loses the 200-day moving average. Hayden Davis, he is off to the races, just liquidating Melania coin as he runs from the feds. Kalashi, they decided to sue New Jersey and Nevada. Sonic Labs, they just made a pivot. We're going to deep dive into that. And did ChatGPT and NFTs across the board? Avalanche and gaming is here, and automation and AI are about to change the gaming world. Chaos to clarity, noise to narrative. It is Monday, March 31st. Welcome to the Daily Quest. And because someone out there somewhere is actually here for the stats, let's see what the heat map looks like today. And it is a just red mess. What do we have? Bitcoin trading at $82,118. Ethereum, $1,809. XRP, $2.10. BNB, $6.02. Solana, $125. At the moment, everything is down between 9 and 12% on the week. Ethereum suffering the most damage at the moment. Today, the Crypto Greed and Fear Index has slid down to a 34. We are in the fear zone. We can't seem to shake that. My guess is that over the next couple of days, that is going to continue to go down as we near the upcoming tariffs. Bitcoin dominance, it's up. Ethereum dominance is up on the 24 hours. Top meme coins by market capitalization. This is really interesting. The only one that is in the green at the moment is the Trump coin. We have been talking about this. It is priced at $10.20. I am a buyer at $8. I am a buyer of Ethereum at $1,000 to give you my idea on where things might go. Today, DEX volume is coming in at $8.094 billion. That is a weekly change of negative 2.17. And that seems good because we have just been on this drastic decline, but negative 2.7 from the previous week, we were down 18%. So the momentum is not here. We have not seen the rally that we all had hoped for, except Pump.fun. They are creating some action. There are 6,204 addresses creating tokens in the last 24 hours. They have produced 10,266 official tokens. Last stat I looked at, let's say 10,266 tokens are created. Only about 203 of these are graduating. The trenches are brutal. That's why I am not playing that game at the moment. We have Bitcoin. It has fading bullish momentum and limited buyer interest at the moment. Do we see $69,000 Bitcoin? Ethereum, it is testing absolutely critical support. XRP, it is stuck in this bearish channel. A breakdown could risk it dropping even further. When do we see momentum return? It is definitely not going to be in the short term. We have big tariffs coming into play. There are other tariffs that were put on hold for 30 days. Those are coming into play in the next couple of days. The other thing to think about is I always look at Trump's moves as huge bargaining chips. He has his chips on the table. Now that push has come to shove, action is going to go into play. And if these tariffs actually make a dent, they are going to want to renegotiate. So I'm hoping we are going to have a chance to see the light before these tariffs actually really rip stuff apart. So Bitcoin fell into the $81,000 range as stock U.S. futures slid ahead of Trump's April 2nd tariffs on autos and pharma. Inflation concerns are arising with recession worries rattling the market, but institutional inflows and wallet accumulation suggest that people are still long-term super bullish. So Do not run with your pants down because you will not make it very far. I think this is a good time to hodl, understanding we are going to see short-term pain, understanding it is impossible to catch a falling knife. And again, these could be the strongest bargaining chips Trump has ever put on the table. I say we see some movement off of these chips in the short term, much sooner than anticipated. This is interesting. UK authorities have decided to free 7.7 million in illicit crypto. All of this happened since April under new powers aligning wallet seizure acts in the UK. The largest freeze so far is about $2 million. It came from a Coinbase wallet tied to a possible tax case. This is big news to me. Cosmos completed its first native IBC transaction between Cosmos Hub and Ethereum, a major step towards seamless cross-chain interoperability. We have been waiting for this. When it hits, it is going to change the UX UI landscape in an instant. It will be like the day the tractor arrived. It is nice to see Cosmos complete this and move toward interoperability for all of us. Keep in mind, this move is also bringing renewed developer interest as people are like, I want to go develop on this chain because this is all of a sudden very interesting. Ethereum has lost its 200-day moving average for the first time since 2021, with bearish technicals starting to flash everywhere. We have Vitalik meowing at a robot and dancing where he shouldn't be, which is in front of people. We're also seeing about $370 million in ETF outflows, reinforcing this downside pressure that we do not like to see. Again, I said I'm a buyer ETH at $1,000. I said this about a month ago. The Melania meme coin creator Hayden Davis is dumping millions of Melania tokens despite a 95% collapse. He is under investigation in Argentina over the Libra token scandal. Interpol is looking for him. He is trying to get any amount of cash he can. Is this a buying opportunity for the Melania token? Gazprom has launched a $23.5 million blockchain-based financial asset on the Moscow exchange, offering a 21% yield, opening retail access to tokenized debt. This is going to change a lot of people's minds about blockchain and how it can work for everybody. Prediction market Kalshi is suing gaming regulators in both Nevada and New Jersey, arguing its sports contracts fall under CFTC oversight, not state gambling laws, as it defends its model is a swap market. Very interesting. I would like to swap sports teams. Sonic Labs has abruptly pivoted and dropped plans for the USD-pegged algorithmic stablecoin, pivoting to a UAE DRAM-based version. Regulatory scrutiny in the UAE's upcoming CBDC launch make it a much better environment, it appears. Are we seeing crypto companies begin to leave the United States again? What is happening? AI filters can now replicate NFT styles with ease, threatening the value of traditional collections. Like rap music evolved, NFTs will evolve as well, but only collections with strong communities are likely to survive. Create your community. That is where the power is. Guns Network may be Avalanche's breakout moment, in my opinion. We are looking at Web3 gaming. They are going to be bringing off-the-grid shooter to PlayStation and Xbox. They are throwing in 50,000 TPS, that's transactions per second. They're going to have real-time NFT integration and a creator-first economy. This is a game changer, and gamers will continue to drive the ecosystem moving forward. Automation is absolutely unlocking the full potential of Web3 gaming and smart contracts. AI and decentralized infrastructure are enabling 24/7 economies, adaptive experiences, as well as scalable player-owned worlds. The AI influence in where we go is here, whether you like it or not. The idea is, can you adapt to it? The answer is you must. You must iterate all of the time. If you are still craving crypto clarity, tune in daily. Get into our Critters Quest Discord, or there is a Substack that goes out every morning. There is a link in my bio. Enjoy all the things. Stay out of trouble.
Down the rabbit hole we go, creatures gotta feel the flow. Riding rhythms here to stay, on the quest but let it stray. Power up, hearts can dance, on Solana take a chance. Get on your quest, quest, with Critters Quest, quest, strategize. Make the best on Solana's quest.